if your A+ images looks bad like this one, you are losing conversions. From searching a product to clicking on your listing, images plays the most crucial role. If you cannot stand out, no one's clicking. But too many sellers ignore the power of good visuals, and that mistake is costing them sales every single day. But don't worry, today I will take you through how to transform a weak, boring A+ content into something clean, gorgeous, and built to convert. So stick around. This makeover could change the way your listing performs. Let's take this listing as example. If I go to the A+ section, let me explain what's wrong with this A+ content. First, they added less module here. They miss a great opportunity to fully maximize the potential of their A+ content. There are lots of modules that are great, and interestingly, we can add up to 7 modules here. I think we should use all 7 modules. This gives us more space to showcase our product. If we don't, buyers might get distracted by ads or other recommendation. Anyway, let's check the first module. Only the brand name, nothing eye-catchy. I think if they added a lifestyle image here and highlight the brand name would be better. Next, product image with a lot of text, and this text is not crawlable. That means this did not index. Text in the image does not help. So more likely if they added iconography like in the next modules would be better. Here you can see the lifestyle images, and last one again the brand name with some text. Okay, the problem with this listing is that they couldn't use some must-have modules. Like they didn't add any carousels, comparison chart, even they couldn't have add video module. By the way, this is a basic A+ content, so they cannot add videos or carousel. That's understandable. Anyway, I always suggest that product comparison chart is a must. It helps shoppers quickly see the difference between this product with your other products. This builds trust, remove confusion, and make it easier for them to hit that buy button and have a cross-selling potentials. However, now let me show you what we ecommerce developed for one of our clients. And as the bad example was on basic A+, I will keep our example on basic as well. Alright, this is our A+ content. We created these banners. You can see we created 7, taking full advantage of A+ content. Now in first module, what we want in when a buyer scroll down to A+ content, he will first see this portion. So we need to make this area impressive because the first impression is the best. Anyway, in the first banner, we place a lifestyle image so the buyer can imagine how they use it. We also added words that describe the product. In the second banner, we included just 4 icons, no sentence, just 4 words with icons. But the best part is you can get a lot of information just by seeing these icons. In the next banner, we focus on the product USP or unique selling points. For this product, we highlight what customers want. This helps emphasize the key benefits that set the product apart. And then in the next banner, we showcase the quality of the material. We highlight why our product is best by focusing on its top features. In this banner, we showcase 3 different perspectives on our product, and we describe the products a little bit with the help of text, so that it also can rank in the SEO. And we ended up with another lifestyle image, so our overall A+ content will look like this. Now, why do we claim that our A+ content is better than this listing? Our A+ content helps buyers quickly understand the product through lifestyle images, icons for features, and banners for variation and key selling points. It provides all the essential information for making a decision without the need of extensive reading. And this way, our A+ content serves its purpose. You get the idea, right? Now, how about improving your A+ content? If you are unsure how to make it better, seeking expert help would be a smart move. We can assist you with that. Simply email us at info@ecomclips.com with your question or concern. Feel free to visit our website. I will share the link in the description. We have plenty of articles to help you grow your business, and you can also find many helpful videos on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. See you next time. Take care and stay safe.